the next presentation in this track, which is enabling technologies 2. The previous one was from a relatively new Alliance member company. I've known this guy for years. NXP Semiconductors is one of our early and long-standing members of the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. Ali Osman is Director for AI, ML Strategy and Technologies for Edge Processing at NXP Semiconductors. And the title of his presentation refers to a recent acquisition that the company made that he'll tell you more about, but it's scaling i.MX application processors, native Edge AI with discrete AI accelerators. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Brian. Right, I'll jump straight into it. So AI, we're seeing it across all the presentations this week from various companies, from Jeff, from our keynote speakers. AI spans a very wide deployment, and there's a lot of stuff that goes from training in the cloud to inference on the edge. It spans a very wide domain. And within that, you have training that's typically done better on desktops, on cloud, on servers, on the various aspects. And then you have AI deployment, the inference, the actual runtime happening, again, across desktops and clouds and local servers. It's a possibility. But where NXP is focused is this AI deployment on what we call true edge, but the inference on edge devices that are in industrial automation, in smart homes, smart buildings, smart factory, vehicles, and various more real-time oriented deployments and more resource-restrained deployments. So that's where NXP's opportunity is, and that's what we're focused on in terms of the devices that we build.